Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is doing great. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing fabulous. So in this video, I'm gonna share something which is essential that everyone should know. Okay, so there is none other than today I'm making video by tripod, and I have purchased the tripod from online, and still I haven't anyone who will hang the phone in front of me, or I will hanging the phone in front of me by my hand. So still I'm using the tripod. That's why you can see, guys, my video quality is like you can see the difference that I upload before. So you can see today's video is different than that. So I would say this is really helpful if you have tripod, or I can say if you are like content creator, or if you want to be a content creator, then you need that kind of product that will help you a lot. So whenever you will make video, that will make you so charming. Okay, so by the way, I don't know how it's become, but I'm talking in front of camera and I'm trying to make video, and it's my practicing purpose. This is the first video I'm talking in front of camera by my tripod. Okay, so that's all for now. I hope this video will be charming. I mean, the video quality will be charming. I'm not that type of good speaker, but I'm trying to enhance my communication skill as well. I'm showing the natural beauty, and yeah, this video I'm giving you guys. So how about you, and do you have tripod, or what do you think about this? Like, is it essential or not? So must comment down so that I can know. By the way, this is the way I'm practicing. Okay, so any topic you can like represent in front of people. Okay, it doesn't matter, but you have to practice. So whatever you say, you need to gain this ability to talk in front of camera with any subject, any topic that you can elaborate. Whenever you can easily elaborate any topics, it's mean that you are fluent speaker. There is no bunker in front of you to talk about anything. Okay, so that's all for now. So yeah, I think this video will encourage you to know about this tripod, or like how to practice. Okay, that's all for now. So yeah,